everyone. I'm Brian Hollenbeck. Thank you again for joining us this evening, taking time out of your schedules. Michigan Urology has been part of my family for 24 years. And like many of you, 24 years ago, I wasn't certain where I was going or what necessarily I was going to do in the field of urology. I knew that I wanted to be a urologist. I also knew that I wanted to do something to learn more than just to cut, sew, and tie. And it turns out that Michigan, I think, is the ideal place for you to do that. We aim to afford our trainees with all opportunities and all paths of scholarship and service. What we want to do is we want to inspire you to make an impact, to make a difference, to reduce suffering, to eliminate disease. We aim to train the next generation of leaders in the field. And a leader, like Ganesh said, is someone who you go to when you're in trouble. So that doesn't just mean academicians, it means people in the community. So Michigan, I think, has a rich environment and storied history for training leaders in the field. We have about 50 faculty, which Kate will get into. We have the only physician scientist training award from the American Urological Association. And this year, we've added an additional position to support academics by adding a spot for a 6-year physician scientist trainee. We have 3 NIH training grants dedicated to education, to training the next generation in our field. And we have more surgeon scientists, more R1 funded scientists than any department in the country. So when I looked back 24 years ago in making the decision about where I wanted to go, what excited me about Michigan was the people and the culture. And like Ganesh said, we wish you could come visit us, and hopefully someday soon you will. And then you can see it for yourselves. Michigan's a great place, and I hope you strongly consider looking at us for a training program.